So one of the interesting things about pathology right now is that 99% of it is actually not digital. So essentially, what pathologists are doing is looking at glass slides, and those slides are actually stored in that same format for many years after. And it is actually a huge challenge for us because all of the systems that we build clearly work on digital data. The role that we hope to play is essentially give pathology labs a better reason to digitize their data. So a big obstacle in why digitization has not happened is that it's extremely expensive. Many of these scanners cost several hundreds of thousands of dollars that can actually digitize the data, and then the cost of storing digital data is extremely high compared to just storing the physical slide in their basement. Our hope is that through the use of developing, through the use of providing more value on the same digital data, the value exceeds the cost of digitizing those slides. And we're able to help with that transformation. The idea for PathAI came from my co-founder, Andy Beck. So he has a fantastic background. He used to be a professor at Harvard Medical School. He's the one who told me about this area of pathology. Unlike me, he's a real doctor, so has an MD, and also has a PhD in machine learning. So has this really deep knowledge of both sides of medicine as well as machine learning, and this unique ability to be able to combine them to build something that is both tractable from a machine learning perspective as well as useful from a medical perspective. That's how we landed on this problem of pathology, where we believe that with the current set of tools and technology, the problem is definitely extremely tractable, but at the same time extremely useful for humans because of the many challenges that are faced as part of this. And so we started in 2016. It was just the two of us. We hired our first engineer from Google, who joined us in my co-founder's basement, where we spent the first 3 to 4 months of the company. Soon we moved to a real office, grew the team to about 15 people by the end of 2017, and now we're at about 40 people this year. The background of the team, so on the tech side, there's a lot of folks on the machine learning engineers and scientists who come from some of the top institutions, having developed many deep learning algorithms and done a lot of research in that side. As well as on the software engineering team, we have folks who have worked at some of the best tech companies, such as Google, Microsoft, eBay, and so on, that have allowed us to build both the product as well as the machine learning capability extremely quickly, allowing us to deliver extremely promising results extremely quickly to our partners.